do to start of the video?
Well, where are we? Downshift in Coburg. Fucking fun, bro. Fucking fun. You don't want to party.
Only these people are ready for the rep battle.
I don't actually know. Since Feb March, yeah, not too long.
Sweet. And have you had to do much to it, like to get it up to spec to get it registered and stuff down here since you've got it all?
Yeah, it needed a lot of work. It was running when I bought it, but then
2, 3, hit it. Right, give him a cheer, listen to that Datsun purr. Next entrant. Honda S2000.
So it's my initials as well.
He's just fortunate. He's just fortunate. That's cool. Alright buddy, well make sure that's in neutral and let's make some noise in this thing on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hit it. Alright, give him a cheer, a little bit of smoke there as well.
This is all I have.
Sam, and tell us about this thing, man.
it's a 7-litre LSX with a 4-litre wheel.
Very good. So there's going to be lots of whiny noises with this as well. Alrighty, in park or neutral, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Give it a cheer. How good did that sound? Is that a Supra? He said no. So, what's your name?
Bailey.
Bailey. 1, 2, 3, go. One, 2, 3, hit it. So, 1, 2, 3, hit it. Man, let's hear what it's got. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, hit it. Burnout, you know that, right? Alright, give me a cheer. And on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hit it.
Ready for a big boy?
I'm pretty sure this is the Supra from those GamesTechAuto autos awards as well. Look at those back tires. Look how well they fit those guards.
Hey.
Who do we have here? Hobbs.
Did you say he likes to be called Hobbs now?
Hobbs.
Hobbs. I said no, but he's like, it's Hobbs.
Hobbs.
Like,
That's his new name.
what?
That's his new name.
Hobbs.
It's just how you spell it in Serbian.
But it's pronounced Nov.
Not, yeah.
Because when he said it's Hobbs, I went, oh shit, it's like wrong.
Man, I just want to. We just give a round of applause for how well they've done to the cars. It's obviously done some technical stuff. Nobody just went in for all those when you know. Alright. Neutral point, and on the count of three, man, let's see what the VAD just got. 1, 2, 3, hit it!
That's how it's done. That's how it's done.
That's gold.
Alrighty, so I think we've got a little bit of a draw here between three cars. Predator Commodore, Bailey's white Toyota Supra, and V8 Eater. You all agree that they're all about on par? Should we get all three of those back down here? I mean, these people think so. Should we get all three back down here? Alright. Bailey, Predator, and Hobbs, V8 Eater, if you want to bring those cars down.
Round two.
Okay, we're getting the Commodore in the middle and you just like place it on an angle towards him. But yeah, he's just reversing, watch out.
That's good.
a decision. Do we need to do it again? Is that what we need to do one more time? All right, drivers, are you ready to do that one more time? One more time. Alrighty. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I know who took that this time, but let's see if you all agree with me. We're going to go one by one. Who thinks Bailey should take that home in the white Supra? Who thinks Predator should take that home? Who thinks V8 Eater should take that home? I think... Should we have a battle of the Supras now? Because I'm pretty sure they came down to the Supras. No hate on the HSV because it still sounded great. Well, let's see. Can we battle it out with the Supras? Bailey, are you ready? Alrighty. Just the Supras on the count of 3. This is the final decider. 1, 2, 3. What do we think? V8 Eater? Yeah! Bailey, what do we think? I think Bailey wins. Give him a round of applause. Give everybody a round of applause. Thank you to all 3 owners of these beautiful cars for bringing them out, putting the risk in there and throwing them in the rev battle. I think that'll do us for now.